Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to our English learning podcast for beginners. Today I will tell you a long and interesting story about a girl named Lily and a boy named Max. They both live in a small town, and their story is about friendship, new experiences, and happiness. Listen carefully and enjoy learning English with me. Let's start the story. Lily is a 9-year-old girl. She lives in a small town near the mountains. Lily has long blonde hair and green eyes. She loves animals, playing outside, and painting pictures. Every morning, Lily wakes up early. She eats breakfast with her family, then goes outside to play. One morning, Lily looked out of her window. She saw a big moving truck in the street. She was curious. Who is moving to our town? She wondered. Lily decided to go outside and see. She put on her shoes and took her favorite ball. She walked to the house next to hers. The house was big and new. Some boxes were outside the door. Suddenly, a boy came out of the house. He looked about Lily's age. He had dark hair and brown eyes. The boy looked a little nervous. Lily smiled and said, "Hello, my name is Lily. What is your name?" The boy said softly, "Hello, Lily. My name is Max." Lily said, "Nice to meet you, Max. Welcome to our town." Max smiled a little and said, "Thank you." Lily asked, "Do you want to play with me?" Max looked shy but said, "Yes, I want to play." Lily felt happy. "Let's go to the park. I like the park." The next day, Lily waited for Max near his house. Max came out quickly and said, "Hi, Lily, I am ready." They walked together to the park. The park was big and green. There were many flowers, a small pond, and tall trees. Birds sang in the trees. Lily said, "This park is my favorite place. I come here every day after school." Max looked around and smiled. "It is beautiful, I like it here." They played with Lily's ball. Lily kicked the ball, and Max ran after it. They laughed and had fun. After playing, they sat under a big oak tree. Lily took a small book from her bag. "I like to read books," she said. "Do you like reading?" Max said, "Yes, but I don't have many books." Lily said, "I can share my books with you." Max said happily, "Thank you, Lily, you are very kind." The next day, Lily took Max to her school. She showed him the classrooms, the playground, and the library. Lily introduced Max to her friends. "This is Max. He is new here." The children said, "Hello, Max. Welcome." Max smiled and felt happy. "Thank you," he said. During lunch, Lily and Max sat together. They talked about their favorite sports and games. Max said, "I like basketball. I played basketball in my old town." Lily said, "I like basketball too. Let's play basketball after school." After school, Lily and Max went to the library. The library was quiet and full of books. Lily showed Max many colorful books about animals, adventures, and stories from other countries. Max picked a book about lions. "I want to read this book," he said. Lily smiled and said, "Let's read it together." They read the book and learned many new words. Max said, "I like reading now." Lily said, "Reading is fun, it helps us learn." Days passed, and Lily and Max became very good friends. They played together every day, studied together, and helped each other with homework. One afternoon, Max said, "Lily, thank you for being my friend. You helped me a lot. I am happy here." Lily smiled and said, "I am happy too, Max. Friendship is very important." Max said, "Yes, friendship is like a treasure." Lily said, "Yes, a treasure that makes life beautiful." One weekend, Lily and Max went to visit a small farm near the town. They saw many animals, cows, chickens, sheep, and horses. Lily loved the animals and wanted to take pictures. Max helped her. At the farm, they also met an old man. The man told them stories about the animals and the farm. Lily and Max listened carefully. They learned many new things. After the visit, Lily said, "I want to be a farmer when I grow up." Max laughed and said, "I want to travel and see the world." Lily said, "We can do both. We can travel and learn about farms." Max said, "Yes, friends help each other to follow their dreams." One day it was raining. Lily and Max could not play outside. They stayed in Lily's house. Lily's mother gave them hot chocolate. Lily said, "Let's watch a movie." Max said, "Great idea." They watched a movie about animals and adventures. They laughed and talked about the movie after it ended. Max said, "Thank you for a wonderful day, Lily." Lily said, "Thank you, Max. I am happy to have a friend like you." New words to learn with examples. Moving truck. The moving truck arrived early in the morning. Nervous. She was nervous before her first day at school. Shy. He is shy when he meets new people. Park. We like to play football in the park. Pond. There are ducks swimming in the pond. Library. I go to the library to read books. Colorful. The flowers in the garden are very colorful. Friendship. Friendship makes life happy and fun. Treasure. The children found a treasure in the old box. Farm. The farm has many animals like cows and chickens. Adventure. They went on an adventure in the forest. Hot chocolate. I drink hot chocolate when it is cold outside. Questions for you. What is Lily's favorite place in the town? Who is Max? What did Lily and Max do at the park? What did they do when it was raining? What did Lily and Max learn at the farm? Thank you for listening to our story about Lily and Max. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned many new words. Remember, making new friends is fun and important. Try to speak English every day, even if it is just a few words. Practice with your friends or family. If you liked this story, please listen again or share it with someone who wants to learn English. See you next time with a new story and new words. Goodbye and have a great day.